Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Fitelo Smart Scale to phone. Alright, let's begin. First, download the Fitelo app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign in to your account. After opening the app, make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your phone settings, because the scale sends data using Bluetooth. When the app asks for permissions, such as Bluetooth or nearby devices, tap Allow. Next, place the Fitelo Smart Scale on a hard and flat surface. Avoid carpets because they can affect the accuracy of the measurements. Lightly step on the scale with 1 foot to wake it up until the digital display lights up. While the screen is on, open the Fitelo app and go to the Devices section. Tap on Add Device or Connect. The app will scan for nearby devices and detect your Fitelo Smart Scale. Select the scale and tap Pair to complete the connection. Finally, step onto the scale barefoot. This allows the sensors to measure body metrics like weight, body fat, and muscle mass, which will automatically sync to your phone. That's it for this video. Thanks.